We'll guide you through how to make the home screen auto-rotate on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient because as you can see at the moment, I can't go and rotate it. But let's say I was in Chrome, I'll just open this up and show you we can go and rotate this. Just to go and give you that example, as you can see, I go and rotate it and it rotates, but the home screen won't. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise you may go and miss how you go and do this. So what you need to do is go and swipe up, and in here you need to find the option for settings. You can always go and search at the top. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for home screen. As you can see, there is the option there. Now in home screen, what we need to do is we need to go and find a specific setting. So scroll down and you want to find the option rotate to landscape mode and switch that on. Literally, that's it. Now, if I come out of here on the home screen, I'll go and rotate. And as you can see, it will go and rotate and you can use it like that. That's it. And we can rotate it back as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. Have a great day. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. Thank you for watching.